welcome to all parents and students. A heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Sister Vinny, for her support in organizing this art exhibition. The purpose of today's exhibition is to showcase the incredible talent and creativity of our students. The students have displayed their skill subjects, best out of waste and their paintings. Grade 6 has made the handicrafts done with the rope. Grade 7 has done the block printings and Grade 8 has done the glass paintings. This event serves as a platform for our artistic expression. We are excited to share this remarkable work of art with you and to celebrate the power of creativity. I would like to thank the shining stars of grade 6 to 10 whose continuous efforts has made this exhibition successful. Thank you parents for your precious feedback. I wish that you continue your support in future.
This is an excellent opportunity for our children to exhibit their talents on skill subject and best out of waste. They have exhibited their talents in different ways. It's a very beautiful talent which is a hidden talent come out, and now you can see a lot of things around. Each individual has got a unique talent, and that is wonderful and excellent. So my hearty congratulations to all the children who have participated in this exhibition, and the Yasmin teacher who is their guide, who has helped them out to grow and exhibit their talents.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Art Exhibition 2025 in Divine Child Senior Secondary School, CBSE. As we all know, with an aim to equip the students with the 21st century employability skills, this according to the recommendations given by NEP 2020, CBSE has integrated skill subjects in the curriculum. We also teach our students certain skill subjects like handicrafts, pottery, block printing, glass printing and so on. As you can see, these are all the work displayed by the students which showcase their talent, their innovation and their creativity. Also along with that, we have also certain 3D models of best out of west. I would literally like to thank our budding artists for making their creative and innovative work, the art teacher, Yasmin teacher and also our principal, Sister Vinny D'Souza for the continuous support and guidance. So please, I would please come and cherish this opportunity to motivate and appreciate our students. Thank you and enjoy the power of art.
Work of all the children is beautifully displayed here. We are proud to see such beautiful exhibits here. Thank you.
The exhibition is very good and it's very an eye-opener. Apart from the studies, we are seeing so many children coming together, putting all their creative abilities and making such good artwork, painting, the craft work. It's a great blessing for all the students and all the teachers who are taking up this initiative, the school, to conduct such a kind of exhibition so that the parents can come and see the students performing and doing their best in this area.
Opportunity for all the students to showcase their skills and creativity. This goes a long way in their life actually. It's a companion for their life and they can easily take it forward nurture their skills and take it up as their career also. So I appreciate that the school is giving so much of opportunity.
Is really very creative, and the talent which has been shown by kids, all thanks to our Yasmin teacher and the teachers who have time and again supported kids, and like they have shown their talent which is very creative and too good. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I have had the opportunity today to go through a beautiful art exhibition here arranged by the teachers, especially Yasmin Miss. It's beautiful, the display is nice. It's not only art but also craft, especially the DIYs done by the children. It's amazing. The portraits are lovely, very well done. Wishing all the children all the best for their future. Thank you.
Very beautiful artwork. I am very happy that all the kids have done so much hard work and so much creativity is there around here. This room looks really fun with lot of best out of waste. So much creative idea is there. The entire room is covered with that. It's like really amazing to see this. Thank you so much teachers for putting so much effort, making these kids do so many things. Everybody is enjoying also while they are doing this. Thank you very much.
The art exhibition was truly amazing, and it also, like, I was surprised and impressed to see the kids' artwork, the variety of work they have done, and the efforts they have put in was totally remarkable. The best use of face that they made, and also the drawings, the paintings, the sketches were too good. I appreciate the teachers' confidence and support in them, and that they have, she has brought out the inner qualities of children and supporting them always. And it was a good initiative to get this exhibition set up, so that even the parents could see the inner abilities of kids, and also it gave them a good confidence for the children. So then they can get up more into this and get good. That's what I can say. Very good initiative by the teachers.
आर्ट एक्झिबिशन चालू आहे डिवाइन चाइल्डमध्ये, आणि ही एक्झिबिशन थ्रू आम्हाला कळतं आहे की किती इनोव्हेटिव्ह मुलांनी आयडिया स्वतःच्या एक्सप्रेस केलेल्या आहेत. बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट ही कॉन्सेप्टच बेस्ट आहे की मुलांचं माइंडमधलं जी क्रिएटिव्हिटी आहे ती त्यांनी अक्षरशः रेखाटली आहे, आणि त्याच्यावरून कळतं आहे की मुलं आणि मुलांचा प्रोग्रेस डिवाइन चाइल्डमध्ये किती चांगला सुरू आहे. आम्ही आनंदी आहोत आणि धन्यवाद.
Hello, as I entered the art exhibition, it's very beautiful. There's a lot of talent. Children have done a lot of effort, so much of hard work. Looking at it, I was so much happy and impressed. Thank you for the good work you have done. Keep it up. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This exhibition is very creative and very beautiful, and all kids are done very unique work. And first of all, I'm thanks to Yasmin teacher for her help to let kids their showcase their talent. Thank you.